I saw one home in which Israeli settlers have already taken over half of the house. So the house is actually divided into a Palestinian family and a family settler. It is surreal. Like my predecessor, I and UNRWA remain committed to advocating against the forced transfer of all Palestinian refugees in Sheikh Jarrah. Forcibly removing people from their home runs contrary to international humanitarian law. I reiterated this in my address to the UN Security Council last Thursday, when I called for an end to forced displacement and administrative demolition, which again are contrary to IHL. And this needs to end. At my level, I have and will continue to raise this issue in all my diplomatic meetings and presentations as a way to prevent further escalation and to ensure the rights of these families are protected under international humanitarian law. UNRWA continues to call on the Israeli authorities to halt this displacement and to protect the rights and dignity of Palestinian refugees in the West Bank, including here in Sheikh Jarrah, where we are today. This eviction violates international law and Israel's obligation as an occupying power. For UNRWA, these Palestinian refugees are facing a second displacement in living memory. At the head of the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, and as mandated by the UN General Assembly to protect and assist Palestinian refugees, I have made it our priority to help prevent another cycle of trauma and loss.